at the truck wash. Turned her off so I can talk. She's not filthy, but I just think it's time. I showed you guys my wheels. Yeah, she's gonna get a rinse, a little bath. Usually we go to places where you can just use your debit card, but this is on the way because I am going shopping. Wow. Okay, she's still dirty, but something. I mean, I went over this twice. This is why I have Savannah wash my trucks and stuff, because I just don't have the patience, I guess. So, that's that. Alright, so my filming stopped there because I had an absolutely terrible day yesterday. But I got something in the mail and I'm just gonna try to be positive, I guess. Alright, so this was originally for Gabe, his Christmas present, but I mean, he can use it if he ever wants it. I got it on Amazon. It's a 36-inch plastic creeper. Omega lift equipment. 36 inches. There's 6 oil-resistant swivel casters. A comfortable padded headrest. Are you kidding me? And it has a handle to carry it. So yeah, I'm gonna open it, show you guys what it looks like. Let's see. Cute. Okay, so I kind of had to like rip the box at the top, but this is it with, oh boy, they get bark boxes, so they think any box is for them. But this is what it looks like when the box is open. It's actually upside down. I'll flip that over in a second. Okay, so it's not heavy at all. It's about 9 pounds, 9.5. Throw that way. And still got the plastic on it and everything. I like the yellow and black. I think it looks really nice. Let's see if it's Piper approved. She's scared of everything. What is that? It moves. No, poor baby. It's okay. She's a pretty anxious dog. I mean, this isn't super comfortable. I'll lay on it. Give me a second. Please don't eat it. I'm trying to lay down, but I'm being attacked. The way my hair is falling, it looks like I have a mullet. I mean, yeah, it's a headrest. Pretty nice. I need my crock. Okay, we are gonna go outside. Oh goodness. Ooh, what's that? Maybe it's mine. Okay. It's pretty nice out today. This will be fun. Look at all the oil from Gabe's truck. Oh Lord. All right, well, I mean, obviously people tend to use these in their garages. She doesn't fit in a garage, so I think it's kind of important to test it out on the concrete. Okay, we're going egghead because sorry, the sun's in my eyes. Going egghead because I have long hair and I don't really want it. This is so funny to me. I don't really want it stuck in the wheel. I mean, it works, it rolls. My truck is a 12-inch lift and it's not too short and it's not too low. So that's nice. Also, yeah, Gabe was supposed to fix those. I kind of want to do like stupid things on it. She is so concerned. Look at her. I'm attempting to ride it like a longboard. I'm gonna get hurt. Okay, don't do that. I do have a hill. See if I can ride it down that. She's so concerned for me. I don't think this is gonna work. I just don't think it has like a... This is so depressing. Goodness. My truck looks good, but... Hi! Aww. They're such good dogs. They've been taking care of me. I haven't ate in like 2 days. Hi, sweetheart. I'm not gonna hit you with this. Okay, you're... honey, baby, it's okay. Would I recommend this? Yeah, sure. I mean, it's sturdy. It's got good headrest. 9 out of 10 because you can't ride it like a longboard. Kind of depressing. Remember? Oh my goodness. Do you recommend this? Do you? Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Okay. So it's dog approved. All right. So I am back inside. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool to have. Obviously I've never had one. It was about 50-60 bucks, I think. I think I also ordered something with it, so I can't entirely remember. Actually, I'm gonna go look for you guys so that you know. It's actually only $33, so whatever I bought was like $20 freaking with it. But actually I'm gonna go outside and cut my wheel lights myself. Yeah. All right, so I don't have a ton of tools. Oopsies. That might work. Let's figure it out. Just realized I can actually use this. So actually these are kind of messed up. I don't know what the boys were doing. I can't unlock these things. Hold on, I need 2 hands. All right, I got it. Yeah, I don't know. But Gabe said to cut the God. Whatever. Actually, these, I mean, they really don't even work right now because when Gabe dropped my truck, I mean, I think the back ones worked, but that didn't feel right. I did it though. Okay. Cool. Savannah has a Dremel. I might use that if this doesn't freaking... Oh god, one hand may not be the move. Okay, so that's not entirely working. Weep. I have these. I probably look like a freaking idiot right now, but I mean, sometimes you just gotta do it wrong. Okay. Okay, so like I'm really close. Where did it go? And I realized there's screws. Every freaking truck that goes by, I think it's Gabe. I don't know what that might do, but maybe it'll let me undo it. Okay, well, for some reason, I cannot find the right freaking screwdriver. I used to have so many screwdrivers. Couldn't tell ya. So yeah, I'm just gonna try these, I guess. I attempted with the screwdrivers for like 3 seconds and had no patience. But I did snap it, so even if this wasn't the right way to do it, I did it. So on to the next one. Okay, well, this one literally took me not even 5 minutes. Goodness. I did it. That's what matters. Truck's dirty again. I'm leaving the front ones because I don't feel like doing that. Look how jacked up these are. Nice. Okay, well, looks like that is the end of my video. See you guys next time. Weep weep.